Mga bata dito, handa na humilata. Oh, nakahilata na. Check out our fan of the game here, brought to you by LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. Magandang gabi muli sa inyong lahat, mga kaliga. This is Harry Palanya, joined by Coach Mike Perez. Miss Mika Abesames is at courtside. Shout out to many people still watching us, despite Valenzuela tearing this game wide open. And also shout out to the people who have stayed here inside the venue. We had two big games earlier between Pangasinan and Mindoro, and Binyan and Zamboanga.
Shout out din sa mga kaibigan nating nasa OB ban ngayon na mukhang nagchichichirya na.
Ano kaya ang chichirya ang tinitira nila doon?
Hindi ko alam eh. Kanina may
Ikaw ba, Coach, ano bang favorite chips mo?
Ako? Hilig ako sa peanuts eh.
Peanuts?
Mga Nagaraya, Growers. I'm not endorsing pero sabi ko, normally
Ako mahilig ako sa cracklings eh.
cracklings.
Look at the quarter scoring here. And after that 33-point quarter by Manila, they were able to score 22, but that did not stop Valenzuela from shooting 29 of their own.
Kailangan talagang if there is intent to try and make a run for this, if they're running out of time, this is a big deficit.
Well, it's gonna take them a little bit more to try and overcome it.
Agree.
Malalaman natin in the next 2 minutes maybe if there is actually an intention for them to try and chip away at this advantage. This is Cedillo against Pableo. Those two guys were featured in our pre-game discussion. Cedillo able to draw the foul there against Komi Pableo. Alfred Cedillo quietly with 20 points in this one. Once again, leading the way for the Manila Batang Quiapo. You could just imagine how much of a contributor he could be to Bacolod next year if ever the Tubos Slashers do try to get him to go to their fold.
Totoo yun. And ganun kalaki yung magiging parte para dito kay Alfred Cedillo. And I'm sure kung mangyari man yung pagkakataon na yun, napakagandang pandagdag dito ni Alfred sa roster nitong Bacolod.
This is a 26-point lead for the Magic. Julius Tiburcio getting the pass there, galing kay Sobi Pableo. Ibarra nagmamadali. It's fouled there. Tiburcio says he did not do anything. As well as Coach Raymond Valenzuela. Mick Ibarra will be taking 2 free throws. Missing on the first one. 8:52 still to play in this game. Diputado walks it up the front court here for Valenzuela. To the corner, Monje trying to increase his total. Pableo gets fouled and gets the basket.
And if you're gonna patuloy na hahayaan na makakuha ng offensive rebound at mabilis na puntos na ganon, there's very little chance, if not none, for Manila to come out with a win in this home game.
Really, their lack of big men has been one of the bigger problems para sa kanila this season.
Yung rim protection,
Oo. Because other than Decoy Lopez, wala na talaga silang legit big eh.
Kumbaga parang make do na lang with whoever is available, and really just doing their best to live up to the roster that they have itong Manila. And I felt that loss of John Fa was pretty huge. Imagine if John Fa came in and you got all these help from Alexis Heman, di ba? Eh, maganda sana ang pagkakataon yun. Na ma-shore up, lalo na sa posisyon ng gwardiya para dito sa atin.
Diputado joining in on the three-point shooting party here. Valenzuela continuing to push the pace. Julius Tiburcio on the other side picking up the foul as Regis Sebio trying to be aggressive and looking for a shot.
Tiburcio's got, what, 4 points, couple of rebounds, and 1 assist so far.
Saan ang ulam, coach, ang linilook forward to mo mamaya?
Saan?
Sa bahay.
Ako?
Oo. This free throw brought to you by Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas.
Well, aside from relaxing in front of the kids, especially with Riley, hopefully natutulog na si Riley ngayon dahil bukas on-site sila sa school. They've been off-site because of yung bar exam. That's a travel. They've been off-site because of yung bar exam that happened in the last 2 weeks.
Mas madalas na ba ngayon ang off-site na schooling?
Hindi, nangyari lang yun because of yung meron ng bar exam because of the bar. And si San Beda kasi is one of the, I understand, venues for the exams sa Alabang. And so they took off from on-site and tomorrow pa lang sila babalik.
May iba kasing bar yung alam ko eh.
Walang exam doon. Uy! Walang exam doon.
Di mo na kailangan mag-aaral doon.
Yeah. And of course, my fun time with our latest fur baby at home.
Uy,
Nakakuha kami ng Frenchie.
pang ilang aso nyo na yan?
Oh, don't get started with that. Si Dor sabi niya, sabi na ng daughter ko, si Kelsey, Dad, how many more dogs do we need? we have a chow, we have a Bichon, and then this one.
Nako, wala ko alam sa ganyan.
Pagka pinanonood mo kasi yung mga, so lalo na itong bago namin na Frenchie, talaga nakakatuwa naman. His name is Hugo.
Talagang pinalaki kami ng nanay ko na maging ayaw sa aso eh.
Talaga? Well, not where I come from. Alam mo bang lumaki ako na yung sa bakura namin, sa likod ng bahay namin, meron pa kaming pabo.
Zoo yata yung kinalakihan mo ko siya.
Isa pabo pa kami. That was our alarm in the morning when we go to school. That finished
Talaga?
right there. Yeah, really. When I was, grade 6, grade 7, I think.
Interesting. And how long did that... A pabo is a duck, right?
Yeah. Parang mga 2 years, 3 years din yun. We had all sorts of birds.
Wow, interesting.
Parrot, yung Mayna, is
Para pa lang si Steve Irwin, no, coach?
PC.
Animal lover ka pala talaga.
May aquarium pa kami nun.
O yun, ate mo.
Lahat na lang nga.
Baka pwede kayo magpamayad, baka pang viewing dun sa bahay niyo dati. Pwede yun, no? Sana pagkakitaan.
I really just grew up with yung mga you get home, you see them, you observe them. It's kind of fun though.
Kobe Mone already has 30 points in this game. He got 31 after that free throw. Alam mo siguro isang idea para sa social media team natin. Ewan ko lang talaga kung magpa-fly yung idea na yun. And now that we are in the topic of pets.
I got corrected, Javi, by one of our friends in Anthony. He says a pavo is not a did you say
Duck.
duck?
I said a duck.
It's a duck. It's a turkey.
Turkey pala siya.
Turkey,
Talaga?
yeah. It's a turkey.
Iba talaga pag social, no? Alam niyo talaga pag gano'n eh.
Yeah.
Ano yung turkey eh. Wala kasi kaming turkey eh.
Anthony is like our
Translator.
in our in-house AI, you know.
He is the answer. Wala eh. Sa amin, native chicken lang eh.
Uy, sarap yan. Nasa probinsya.
Oo naman. So, Coach, being an animal lover, alam mo ba kung kailan yung National Pets Month ba yun? Or
Hindi.
may ganun ba?
Huwag ganun. Ano ba to? Exam ba to?
Oo, kakataas na ng bar eh.
Oo nga naman. May punto ka naman dyan.
Hindi, kasi kung meron ganun, pwede sana natin gawing social media content yun dito. Kung sino yung mas pinakamaraming pets dito sa MPBL.
Oo nga. That's a good, ano. Oo.
Clear the runway, Mr. Gomez de Leano. Once again, obliging, this time with more power on a one-hand slam.
Correct. I love the power though. I say we get one more from Joe.
I say we get 2 more.
Oh, that's right. Why not?
Bringas gets 2 more to his total. 116 to 80 now. 4 minutes and 30 remaining in this game. All but the final score here has been decided between these two teams. But take a look at this, one of the few highlights that Manila has had in this game. Perhaps the best highlight, Joe Gomez de Leano slamming it home with one hand.
And a lot of authority on that finish by Joe.
JJ Hasalem and the Val City Magic looking poised to win number 7 of the season, while Manila will be falling down to their 24th defeat of the year. Cedillo continues to pad on to his stats. That's 24 points in the game for Alfred Cedillo.
Si Guneong Antonio, napakabilis kumumpas ng ng time in. I like the snappiness, ha? I love it.
Ganun talaga pag may sense of urgency eh. Usually wala siyang ganun eh.
At saka ang mabigat niyan, pinapalakpakan pa tayo, tinuturo yung
Kaya nga eh. Pero kahapon, parang ayaw niya na kami katrabaho.
Ganun ba?
Oo eh.
Oh my.
Parang lumalayo siya sa amin unti-unti.
Di pa lang ang assignment siguro.
Hindi, nararamdaman ko parang siya nag-set nun eh.
Talaga.
Oo. Feeling ko talaga ganun.
Pero naglomi kayo kagabi.
Ako nga lang, hindi nga ako sinamahan eh.
Ay, hindi ka sinamahan?
Oo.
Oh my God.
Solo flight lang ako. Okay lang, Coach. Sanay naman ako sa solo flight.
Oh. Buti na lang wala dito si Ken.
Under 4 minutes to play in this game. Manila trying to salvage what Friday have left.
Bakit? Ano ba? Bakit ka nga pa sanay na nagsosolo?
Wala. I'm just lone wolf. Live alone, die alone.
Si Jeff nakatingin sa'yo, si Anthony nakatingin sa'yo, si Maki tumitingin na, Valentin I think is also looking.
Wala, I'm just happy by myself. I mean, dali na
Ano nga ba
naman tayo
sinasabi
dito,
ko
ha?
sa'yo eh? Ano ba paborito mong kanta? All by myself ba yan?
Hindi, actually. Ano nga ba?
O yung kay Billy Idol, yung Dancing with Myself. Oh my God.
Hindi ko nakakilala yung sinasabi mo, Coach, eh.
Magugulat ako kung kilala mo yun, no?
Stephen Torralba is at the free throw line. This lead has never been threatened in this game. Manila has really a big lack of interior defenders. Well, maybe just defenders in general. Being the worst defensive team in this league.
Umaasa tayo kanina na kahit papaano home game at matapos ng maayos itong mga nalalabi nilang mga laro.
Yun nga, Coach, eh. Kaya ang hirap talaga umasa eh. Huwag ka nang umasa siguro.
Naman.
The joke lang.
Tama na.
Hope is always good. It is always good to have hope. Never lose hope in hope.
Ayan ang sinasabi.
Oo.
Yan naman ang importante dyan.
Oh. Hope for joy, hope for happiness, hope for love. Never lose hope in love. Ayun.
Magpapasko pa naman.
Siyempre.
Diba? It's the most wonderful time of the year.
But before Christmas, siyempre, meron pa tayong matitinding mga laro sa playoffs na aabangan.
Tama naman. And then, ako talaga, yung Thursday game na yon, tingin ko doon na magsisimulang maging tactical yung ibang team sa mga remaining games nila. Especially in the North.
Alam mo, malaki yung pagsisisi ko na hindi ko chinek yung schedule eh. Hindi ko inakalang Thursday na yung Abra San Juan game.
Oo, Thursday yun. That's a big game.
Well, even if I won't be here to cover the games, I will still be glued to watching that for sure as we see Achi Inigo there score a basket for Manila. Inigo with 9 points in this game. 2 minutes and 20 na lang natitira. Nako-curious na rin talaga ako kung anong kayang lutuin ni Anthony. Kasi mukhang mahilig siya manood ng mga cooking videos eh.
Yung ba yung weakness mo, yung nagluluto?
Oo eh. Dahil ano eh. Siyempre, is it food the way to your heart?
Tama naman. Kaya si Dors masarap magluto yun.
Kailan kaya ako makahanap ng gano'n? Medyo matagal na rin ako naghahanap eh.
Hindi ko alam yung isasagot ko sa'yo.
Huwag ka magkalala, coach. Pati ako, hindi ko mahanap yung sagot eh. Akala ko nahanap ko na isang beses, di pala.
Ika nga, aasa ka lang. Ito naman, foul naman ito.
Foul talaga yun.
Yung kay Eusebio.
Oo.
Tama naman.
Tibuso graduates from this game with 5 fouls. That's definitely a clip on the arm. But there was second motion by Red Eusebio.
Tulak.
And there, that's an offensive foul.
And it looked like Eusebio knew that was coming.
So walang foul dun sa tira. The foul was there on that offensive foul.
Correct.
Okay. I like that Venezuela still continuing to play hard, huh? A minute and 15 to go in this game. Manila trying to press here. Monje gets away. Yeah, bad intentions there. Kobe Monje increasing a career high in this game. 33 points sa laro na to para kay Kobe Monje. Take a look at this one. Able to score over Alfred Cedillo. By the way, we'd like to give a shout out to Coach Vincent Harder of the Muntinlupa Cagers, and shout out to the Titans Elite Basketball Club.
Yan, Coach Vincent Harder.
Coach, sana na-enjoy mo yung conversation namin itong fourth quarter dahil wala na kami mapag-usapan dito eh.
Baka raw kayo ni Boss Kais, may kilalang chef, naghahanap yata si Ami.
Medyo eat, pray, love na yung naging conversation dito eh.
Ooh.
You would think by the way the crowd is reacting here inside the venue that it's a
tight
close game.
Right.
It's far from that. Naghahanap pa ng technical foul ang Manila Batang Quiapo dito.
Boy, we're still even getting on sportsmanlike calls here.
Crazy how these two sides, at least the fans, are still into it.
Yep.
And kudos to them for staying with their teams, and despite this game, that's loyalty for you. Eusebio knocks down the second free throw.
Oh, they're pressing.
Monje again for three. Torralba will try to get three of his own. To the delight of the Manila faithful.
Even the bench of Manila.
I'm surprised because they're down by 21 points in this one. With just 55.5 seconds remaining. I guess you just have to cheer on for whatever you can here if you're Manila.
And surely Torralba was intent on making that three earlier.
Diputado makes good on the first free throw. 2 for 2 for Rev Diputado at the timeout pa nga dito ang Manila Batang Quiapo with 55.5 seconds remaining in this game. Oh, we still have 55.5 seconds remaining in this game. Manila actually still called the timeout despite being down by 23 points with 55.5 seconds remaining. They're still trying to finish this game strong. But they will decide to inbound from the backcourt, interestingly.
Full court press.
Eusebio leans in, could not score. Monje picks it up. Kobe Monje with 12 rebounds in this game. Bringas linabas pa. Salem could not get it on the three-point shot. And it's going to be a loose ball foul against Valenzuela.
Boy, the complete level has definitely increased in its final 2 minutes.
Well, you would have hoped that Manila would have played this kind of way majority of the game, but however, that hasn't been the case. At tama ka dyan, Coach Mike, in these last 2 minutes, it has changed. I'm surprised RV Bringas is mad at that call. I mean, they're up by 23 points.
That's right. This game is over.
This game has been over since the start of the fourth quarter.
That's right.
I don't see why there are these kinds of antics on the floor. What for?
Well, we do understand Manila's going to take every advantage you give them to try and score, try to trim down this deficit.
Oh, Pobleo has lost it and turns it over. Look at the Manila crowd here. Oh, they are cheering, they're jeering. 30.5 seconds to go. 122 to 100 po ang tala dito. And our referee still reviewing that last out of bounds play.
Oh my. $122 to 100. in the final 30 seconds.
Yeah, and still you're reviewing out of bounds plays. Like it's gonna impact the game in any way. And here you see Kobe Pableo was fumbling that basketball as he was trying to bring it down court.
Should be Manila ball. Oh, there you go.
Yeah. About a 6-second differential between the shot clock and game clock. Toralba being defended here by Diputado.
I think he's gonna.
Cedillo all the way to the cup. Toralba gets in
Oh,
the way
no.
of the pass. Might have injured his foot. Good thing he gets up quickly after that.
Didn't want that leak out by Kobe Monje to happen.
Diputado had that ball stolen away by Archie Inigo. Red Eusebio gets the basket. And Manila will only lose by 18 points.
When you look at the celebration,
At masaya pa sila doon.